Hey beautiful, are you tired of the lash extensions, the maintenance, the cost, and just how crazy they look in between sessions like you were in a cat fight? Well, I have a new product that I just found out about. This is called Falscara by Kiss, and this is a do-it-yourself at-home lash extension kit. So I want to go ahead and do a review for you and an application. I've already got them on this one side, so I'll show you how it goes on to the other side. In your kit, you're going to get your mascara, and then you also get little wisps of eyelashes. So these are going to sit underneath your lashes and lift those lashes up. So in the mascara, one side is a bond, the other side is a seal. So you're going to do the bond side first and just apply this like you would apply mascara. It has a little bit of, it's black, so it has a little bit of color to it, so it looks like mascara. It has a bonding agent on it. Go ahead and do that onto your lashes. And then you're going to take the little wisps with this applicator. You're just going to pinch the wisp. And we're going to start on the outside of the eye. And we're just going to lay this lash right up underneath the lashes. And then you can use your fingers, or you can use the applicator to just kind of squeeze it together. Grab another piece, lay it right next to that one, and you're just working your way across. So easy. This is lightweight, looks very natural. I bought the ones for lift, just to open up my eyes and brighten my eyes. And there you go. There's that one. And should I do another one? Well, I'm going to stop there just so you get the idea. And just a little bit of a squeeze all the way across to kind of bond those wisps with my lashes. And then on the other side of the tube is the seal. This has got vitamin E in it. And evidently this takes away any of the residue, so that there's no stickiness or anything like that. It just kind of conditions the lashes. There you go. I love it. This is very easy to apply. I feel like it looks better than the strip lash, and it also is better than the actual extensions that damage your lashes. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell so that you get notified every time I do new videos. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, all of your fashion and your beauty for women over 40. Alrighty, bye-bye.